Hi, I'm Carla Butorac, and welcome to Behavior Communicates. As you know, fluency is one of the 5 foundation pieces that students need to learn to read. If your students are struggling with reading fluency, I've got 3 strategies for you, and I'm sharing one of these today. This strategy is one where you slowly build a student's confidence and skill by adding on a word or 2 to each line that they read. So let me show you. You start them off by having the child read the boy. Then the next line, the boy played with the boy played with the puppy with the puppy today. Students get more and more fluent as they read the sentences. They start feeling comfortable with the words and their ability to read them fluently. I once went to a training where the presenter shared a story about an experience he had working with inmates at a prison. He was teaching them to read. They needed to work on fluency, so he designed a program where the inmates recorded children's books for blind students. The inmates had to be fluent in their reading in order to record, so consequently they practiced over and over again to be ready. The beauty here is that it was a win-win situation. The children got wonderful stories they could listen to, and the inmates got the fluency practice they needed on their journey to literacy. This is a great strategy. Give it a try and watch your students' fluency improve. Thank you so much for joining me here at Behavior Communicates. Just remember, the more we know about how to help the child or the student we love, the better quality of life they will have. If you like this video and you want to be in the know, sign up for Behavior Communicates. You'll automatically get my weekly video and blog, plus some other resources that I only share with my subscribers. Please like this video, leave a comment below, and share it with all of your parents, your teachers, your friends, and your coworkers on Facebook, Twitter, and all your other social media. You take care, and I'll see you next time.